Today I'm gonna share with you how to make basic white slime. You will need white glue, baking soda, contact lens solution or eye drop. You will also need a container to mix with and a mixing tool. First, pour out your white glue. Pour as much white glue as you will need. After pouring in the white glue, add in your baking soda. You do not want to add too much baking soda as the end result might be too rubbery. After adding in the baking soda, mix it with the white glue. After mixing, add in your contact lens solution. You want to add 2 spoonfuls of contact lens solution first. Next, mix it all together. It's okay if the mixture looks too watery, just keep on mixing. Your mixture should be starting to clump up and act like a slime. If your slime is still too sticky, add more contact lens solution. It's okay if it becomes watery, just keep on mixing. After you got your desired texture, you can just start playing with it. After following these steps, you should get a nice stretchy white slime. I hope you can follow these steps and make your own slime. Thank you.